Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best solutions for tackling those pesky ants. The Ant Killer Dust 1LB by Bonine. This isn't just any ant killer, it's highly effective and comes in a convenient package of 2. Now, if you're dealing with ants invading your space, you want something that works fast and effectively. This product is designed to do just that. Let's talk about what makes this Ant Killer Dust stand out. Firstly, it's easy to apply. With the included applicator, you can precisely target those hard-to-reach places where ants love to hide. Simply squeeze the bottle to puff the dust into cracks, crevices, and along baseboards. It's perfect for indoor and outdoor use, giving you versatile control over where and how you apply it. Effectiveness is key, and this product delivers. It contains ingredients that ants find irresistible but are lethal upon contact. Once they come into contact with the dust, it's game over for them. Now, safety is always a concern. This ant killer dust is formulated with safety in mind for use around pets and children when used according to the instructions. When you're investing in pest control, you want something that's not just effective but also a good value. At just under $13 for a pack of 2 pounds, it's competitively priced compared to other similar products on the market. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best Terro Ant Dust available, look no further than the Ant Killer Dust 1LB by Bonine. It's easy to use, effective, and provides excellent value for money. Whether you're dealing with a small invasion or a persistent ant problem, this product gets the job done. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.